It's giving ball speech. It's giving ball speech. It's giving bad bitch. Never ever play me like I'm average.
Black girl, if you a 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 black girl, do your thing, do your thing, do your thing, do your thing. Black girl, if you a black girl.
Hey y'all, what's good, what's goody? It's your girl D, and I'm back in the building with another video. My name is Diamond, hence the name Just Call Me Diamond if you are new here. Now today's video, we will be getting into these passion twists, honey. I did this style just so that I can get by for 2 weeks until my next hair appointment. And I did do this style a couple of months ago, and the hair was much longer, so if you want to check out a more detailed video, be sure to do that. I will but I will put it down in the description bar below. And girl, hit that subscribe button because you're gonna love it here. Now let's get straight into this video. So first things first, you want to make sure you detangle your hair so it'll be easy to work with. And y'all, oh my God, I don't know if I told y'all or not, but my hair is so freaking damaged. I can't even say I don't know how I got here because I really do. I just was not applying enough moisture to my hair and it kind of got dried out and broke off everywhere. Anywho, I plan on getting my hair cut in a couple of days, so yeah, we about to just start all over. Now let's get back to the video. So first things first, you're gonna, after you detangle, you're gonna part your hair in 2 sections, and then you're gonna put the back section in the ponytail just to kind of get it out the way for right now, and then we're gonna work with the top half only. We're gonna be parting squares into the top of our head just to give the illusion that we have individuals, but we won't really have individuals. So when you're parting, you're gonna use the little comb that you see me using. You're gonna use one of those combs because the ones with the metal rods at the end, they make it so much easier for you to part straight lines. I don't know if y'all like kind of caught that or whatever, not using them, but it makes it so much easier. And then if you apply a little bit of like jam or beeswax or whatever that you use to like apply to your hair, I'm using edge control. I use edge control because it's light on the hair. It don't make it too waxy or whatever not. But anywho, what I was saying is if you apply that to the scalp when you're parting, it will help you part straight lines so much easier. I'll make sure I show y'all that in the video. But yeah, you can pretty much just watch what I do here, and yeah, I'm sorry. It's pretty self-explanatory. On top of that, like I told y'all before, I have a very detailed video on this particular style, but much longer braids, so I will be sure to link that down below if you guys want more details. But you can go ahead and watch the video, and I'll get back with y'all when I have something more important to say. Okay, here you see me applying some of my edge control down the center of my head because I'm about to part my hair. And like I told y'all earlier in the video, when you apply some type of jam or edge control, whatever you particularly use on your hair, if you apply it to your hair before you part and then part, your part is going to come out crispy. So that's why I pretty much did that while I was parting the middle of my hair. If you have already watched my last video when I did these passion twists in this illusion style, or if you plan on watching it, you will notice that my parts was a lot bigger then, and I didn't really care for the bigger parts, so I definitely went a lot smaller on the parts. As you can see, it makes my hair look a lot neater as well, and like I professionally got it done. I would say the biggest piece of advice for doing this hairstyle when you're doing the illusion message. Oh my God, I cannot talk, you guys. I'm sorry. It is like almost 2 o'clock in the morning. But anyways, like I was saying, the biggest advice that I can give when you're trying to do the illusion method with the rubber bands is to make sure that you do not put the rubber bands too tight, because when you try to use that utensil to pull the hair through underneath the rubber band, it is going to hurt like hell. So please do not put the rubber bands too tight. I know it may look like they're kind of tight on my head, but I am tender-headed. My hair is fine. So any little bit of tug or pull is literally going to look like I didn't put it the tightest it could possibly be. But trust me, I'm very tender-headed, so these rubber bands are not tight at all. Okay, girls, so we're ready to tussle with the back. So what I'm going to do to the back is just braid the hair straight to the back, because in the back we don't really care what's going on. We're going to cover that all up. We just want to create the illusion in the front, and if you would like to create the illusion in the back at the nape area or just around your perimeter, you can. Especially if you want to put them up, I would suggest doing that. However, for the sake of this video, we won't be doing that because I'm only going to have this for 2 weeks, maybe less. I'm going to go ahead and braid the back down, and I'm going to connect the end of every braid to the next braid, if that makes sense. If it don't, again, there is a detailed video linked in the description bar. But yes, let's continue on with this video. So this is the final results of my braid down, super flat foundation, and y'all, let's get into the fun part. This is actually the most easiest part of this style. It literally takes no time. I would say the hardest part of this style is parting your hair into the squares and putting the rubber bands on. Here's the loop on the other end of the hair. This pretty much is what helps lock the passion twist onto your hair. I'm going to let you guys finish watching me apply this braid, and then I'll kind of run through a description of what I'm doing on the next braid. But yeah, guys, this is pretty self-explanatory. I'm going to pick up my hair a little bit so I can get that utensil through. Then I'm going to apply the passion twist to the utensil and pull both the utensil and the braid through my hair. I'm going to open up the little loop that's on the other end of the braid, and then I'm going to take the braid and slide it through the loop. And then I'm going to pull the loop to my scalp, locking the passion twist in with my hair. I'm going to do that for the whole front section. Each square gets one passion twist, and then I'm going to apply passion twist all throughout the back of my hair as well. You guys, I did use 4 packs. I could have used the extra pack to make it look a little bit more fuller, but because I was only wearing this style for less than 2 weeks, I didn't apply all of the packs that I bought. So y'all, this is pretty much how my hair turned out that night. Y'all know I'm good for going to sleep and waking back up in the morning to refinish my hair. Not refinish, but finish my hair. So I did wake up and apply some more passion twist to the back part because I felt like it looked a little thin. I did like the way that this turned out. It worked out great for me going to the gym and just me doing a protective style to my hair until my hair appointment. Please like, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel, and I will see y'all on the next video. Oh, and y'all, please forgive me for doing this voiceover with a cold. I know y'all had to sit through this video with my raspy ass voice, but I appreciate it, okay?
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room perfume. Go, go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know you taste this a little bit. High maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy. It's blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck that, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga, don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga, that ain't good game, homie, sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrong.